Hi folks. It is cold, but this is Wales. You'd expect it. Anyway, I'm going to have a go at casting this today. Yeah man, you know what I mean, oh, that's you wacky backy. Now this one, look, is actually still got paper on, so I'm going to see how that comes out. So I'll do the two together like that. I'm not a professional. I've been doing this for exactly probably 2 weeks, so be kind in your comments. I don't mind the thumbs down, I can live with that, but you know, your comments mean a lot to me. So I'm going to do these two, same job, same day, and the most important thing about this is starting. You've got to start off right. You've got to start off right by turning that over for a start. And you see them, I don't know if I can get two in there, can I? Yeah. Ooh, close to the edge. No, that's alright. And the thing is, the sand is fucking freezing as well. So I put that right there, I put that on there. And then I use my fingers and I'll start putting the sand in all the cracks and fannies, and then I'll start filling it in. So apparently there's 1,000 new words you're supposed to know, but I don't. I don't know if that's too big to go in there, the two of them. What do you think? I don't want them joining earlier. It doesn't matter, but it will, when you're pouring, it'll fuck up. So I'm going to fill this up with sand, obviously, and we'll take it from there. I don't know if I can sit you here, if you wanna see old Rob working. A lot of people don't. Get that sand in those little holes, which is important. Fucking fill it in. Fill it in, man, fill it in. So yes, I'm not professional. I don't think I'd ever be a professional. Like, it takes years and years and years. You know, and I just haven't got years and years and years. But it is important to get that sand in the places you think it's going to be pretty hard to get. You get them nice and crispy corners, you know what I mean? Yeah, see? Can you see? Of course you can. Okay, that'll do. This one, I just want to make sure you're right up in the inside the leaves. And I think, as long as I've been doing this, I think this is the most important bit. The pouring and all that. Even Anita could do that. It's this bit Anita couldn't do because you've got to use 2 hands. And we know that they can only use 1 hand. Because they're all fucking guys. Right. So you start sprinkling it in there. Go careful. I want to make sure it stays away from the edge. So I'll try and do that bit first. It's something you've got to enjoy doing, I'll tell you that much, but absolutely free of charge. Okay, so I'll have it now, I've decided. You can go back on it. Right. That's the important bit. All the rest is just throw it on. I'm showing you more of this today than I usually do. Because people might want to know. I'm not going to stick the pipes in We'll stick them in later. If you want to go for a quick, easy fill. Easy fill. Hey, easy fill. So somebody suggested I painted the corners so I know exactly which way this goes on every time now. So thanks to him, another learned friend. You can't have enough friends. You cannot have enough friends. This sand is play sand and cat litter. And with the cat litter, you've got to grind it down to a small as you can get it, a dust, which is not the easiest. It's not the easiest thing to do. It's a laugh. I use 2 mixers, but they do get hot really fast, so be careful, eh? I want a pipe dead middle, so I can shove it in the lathe after. It's less work to do. So I can see where it is, so I'm going to try and go through dead centre of that, so I can stick it in the lathe, you know what I mean? Which is about there. Right, there's your 2 targets. Targets. That's a good name. Good word for them. Right. So that's all ready to go. I think these are too big for what we're doing, you know what I mean? We could probably get them a bit smaller. And that's it. That's on there, ready to go. I've just done two target holes. You don't call it a target hole? Well, I'm going to call it what the hell I want to call it, because I'm doing it, you're not. So we're going to light the fire now. We're having a lot of trouble with the oil because I didn't filter it. Switch it on. think I had enough. Anyway, got that. And I don't think I had enough of it. I can see alley down there, so perhaps there is just enough. Right, here we are. You can see you're still smoking, but it's like Christmas. I can't get you out of my brain. Right, let's open it. See if it's good news week. Yeah. Fucking hell. I think I made that too heavy. It stinks when it's warm. It fucking stinks. In there somewhere. Not bad, huh? It's all there, look. It's all right in, and I have got the stems, look. That's where I obviously run out, but I didn't fill in that bit there, look. See? So that'll probably go back in the pot, but because I left the paper on, look, you don't get so much bubble and blisters. There's the ganja. Which is quite nigh on good. I'm not going to say great, but I'm going to say pretty good. All this black stuff will come off. You're going to dig it out with one of these things. Scriber, punch, screwdriver. Bloody good tool, I'm telling you. So there's your ganj. I won't cut the thing off. Somebody told me what it was called. I couldn't forget it. Where's me ganja? Pass me pudding. I don't know if you remember, a couple of months ago I started making the Barbarella sex machine, and this is what it was meant actually for. So I was pre-planning months ago what I want it for, but I hadn't finished it. So now I got to do it the old-fashioned way. I think another hour and I would have had it, but it's getting dark, and if it's getting dark it means people are coming home from work and they don't want to be pissed about with noises. So that's it. The number 81 I decided to scrap. Don't have to be private, just leave it in the comments. Oh, I wouldn't mind that. How much do you want for it? Well, it's not going to be a lot, is it? 20 million, 30 million. What?